the Center for Research in Posthumanities, Bankura University, organized a two-day international conference titled Thinking Otherwise, Posthumanism and Human-Animal Studies on 3rd and 4th April 2025 at Bankura University. The conference focused on the rich and evolving intersection between human-animal studies and posthumanism, offering a platform for scholarly exchange and critical reflection. Professor Roop Kumar Burman, Honorable Vice-Chancellor of Bankura University, served as the chief patron of the conference. Professor Deb Narayan Bandyopadhyay, Honorable Founding Vice-Chancellor, former, of Bankura University, advisor to the WBSCHE, Government of West Bengal, and chairperson of the steering committee of WBCSC, was the guest of honor. Sukhendu Das, Assistant Professor of English, Bankura University, was the convener of the conference. The conference featured a series of thought-provoking keynote addresses by distinguished scholars, Professor Roop Kumar Burman, Human-Animal Relationship, and Evolutionary Framework in Global Context, Professor Deb Narayan Bandyopadhyay, Posthumanism, Its Background in Medieval Christian Philosophy, Graham Harman, Redrawing the Lines Between Human and Animals, Roberto Marchesini. Animal Ontology, Nikki Young, a posthuman reading of Alfonso Lingis, Susan McHugh, Human-Animal Studies and Posthumanism. The conference became a vibrant space for intellectual exchange and interdisciplinary dialogue. Reflecting the urgency and relevance of posthumanist thought in contemporary scholarship, a total of 90 registered participants took part in the event. Faculty members, researchers, and students from 7 countries in the world and 16 Indian states actively presented papers and engaged in discussions, making the conference a truly global and inclusive academic endeavor. The conference featured compelling international presentations. Dr. Gianluigi Seglerba from Portugal examined the ethical bifurcation between animals as persons and resources. C.P. Herto from the University of Amsterdam introduced ancient Chinese philosophy into the debate, using Zhuangzi's butterfly dream to explore consciousness and subjectivity beyond the human. Ninoval Flores Pacquiao from the Philippines tackled the twin crises of human and animal populations in the Anthropocene, while Megan Lawley from the USA analyzed narrative techniques in ecofiction that blur the human-on-human divide. Nathan De Prospo from Oberlin College explored the category of animality as both exclusion and alterity in posthumanist literature. Echoing themes from Agamben and Derrida, Indian scholars and researchers brought rich cultural and literary dimensions to the posthumanist discourse. Papers ranged from canonical literature to popular media, encompassing figures such as Ruskin Bond, Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay, Amitav Ghosh, Perumal Murugan, and filmmakers like Hayao Miyazaki. Sessions explored posthuman tropes in literature, Life of Pi, Elizabeth Costello, folklore, the Nagin trope, and cinema, Bhedia, 777 Charlie, Jallikattu. Others, such as Mariam Fatima, addressed the political ecology of animal labor in urban India, while Kusumitha R.S. analysis of CRISPR-based genetic fiction interrogated biopolitical boundaries of species. Several scholars presented critiques of anthropomorphism, speciesism, and the ethics of trans-species kinship, including explorations of Disney narratives, AI animal hybrids, and Indian mythological reinterpretations. Posthuman pedagogies and ecofeminist interventions also found voice, illustrating the multi-pronged approach to rethinking human-animal relationships. This international conference succeeded in reframing human-animal relations not just as an ethical imperative but as a radical reconfiguration of epistemology, subjectivity, and materiality. It pushed boundaries across literature, philosophy, ecology, and performance, with presenters advocating for decolonial, feminist, and non-anthropocentric futures. The concluding roundtable emphasized building an editorial board and sustaining this academic momentum through future events, special journal issues, and collaborative networks. The Thinking Otherwise conference demonstrated the intellectual richness and urgency of post-human and human animal studies. By bringing together an impressive range of international and national voices, it provided an inclusive platform to interrogate, critique, and reimagine the human in entangled, more than human worlds. This event stands as a vital step in institutionalizing post-humanities within the Indian academic landscape and beyond. Thank you all on behalf of the Center for Research in Post-Humanities, Bankura University.